Hi everybody, I am here today to do a quick flip through video of my FotoBella design team project. This is my Sir Vagabond in Japan travel journal, and there are several blog posts on the FotoBella blog showing you how to make the covers and how to make some of the inserts. So today we're going to take a peek inside. My cover is decorated using one of the collectibles images, one of the wooden pieces here from the Sir Vagabond collection. These come with it. And then I've used the Graphic 45 dies from the regular tag die, the gears, for these pieces here. And then this is one of the images from the collectibles papers as well. On the spine, it's covered in rice paper and it has some of the gears, the wooden pieces. The back is rice paper, and then this is a strip from the collectibles sheet. This journal has 3 signatures and is loaded with all of the different pieces from the Sir Vagabond in Japan collection. I've also used some digital papers that go with the collection, but are not from Stamperia. So I have one of the collectibles pages here, and I have some metallic ribbon here just to give it some accents to make it more of a steampunk feel. The pages are all stitched around them, and each of these digitals has some type of either Japanese inspired or steampunk inspired images on it just to complement the papers. There's plenty of room for journaling, and then there's tuck spots to add other things too. This is from the backgrounds paper, or the collectibles paper, so just cutting it so that it would fit and then placing it on the page. These are all from the collectibles papers and the backgrounds papers, so I didn't have the regular papers, just those 2. A small journaling tag here. I've used one of the small cut aparts as a tuck spot. This is made with the regular Graphic 45 tag die, and then this is the square tag die that I just turned into a pocket. This is a belly band that has a piece of the decorative paper. This is from the backgrounds. This is behind it, and then the belly band has 2 pockets with tags. These are the Graphic 45 small ATC tags. This is one of the journal inserts that I did a tutorial for on FotoBella blog, so you can check that out. It just has some paper in it. And then behind it, we have a tag with some of the cut aparts, just plain on the back. Tuck spot here for one of the images. This is another one of the pieces that I did as a tutorial. I've used the large Graphic 45 dies for this and the small one, and created a tag that pulls out and a gatefold closure. Just showing you different ways that you can use your dies that are not traditional ways of using them. Another tuck spot here with a piece from the collection. On this tag, I have one of the decorative chip pieces from the Sir Vagabond in Japan collection. This is one of the background papers. I've just put it on a piece of craft cardstock. This image is open, so things can be tucked into it, or you can just use the page to journal and have this be just a piece of interest. This is another one of the pieces that are on one of the FotoBella blog posts. That is a tutorial. This is a little journaling booklet that's just got some journal pages in it. And then on the back, there's one of the fussy cut images from the collectibles paper. Little tuck spot here. These are the Graphic 45 dies that come with the regular tag die set. One of the cut aparts from the collectibles paper. This is one of the background papers here that I've just cut down to size as a pocket. This is kind of like a belly band on the page, so if you wanted to tuck something back there, you could, or you could just use it as just a pretty page in the journal. This is a little wallet style pull out where you can actually put more in this. I just haven't finished it yet. So you can place the tags here. You can place the tag here, one here, and one here. So there's room for 4 tags in the little wallet, and then one on the front as well. This is one of the images from the collection too, as is this. This is one of the decorative papers, or this is one of the background papers. I was thinking it was one of the collectibles. This is one of those decorative chipboard pieces. Got a large piece here. I need to put some paper on the back to cover that up because that was one of the covers of the collectibles. So I'm just going to hide that piece so that you can journal on that. This is a belly band that flips out. Room to journal on there. This is also in one of the tutorials for FotoBella, and I just put a piece of the collection on there. You could put more in there, or you can make that a journaling booklet. This is open where something can be slid underneath of it. I like to have lots of options and possibilities where you can journal. You can place these things down once you start your pages, or you can just use them as little extra tucked pieces. And the back just has another one of the collectibles pieces. It has the piece of metallic ribbon behind it, just like the front cover. Rice papers on the spine, just like the rice papers on the spine here. So that is my Sir Vagabond in Japan travel journal. I hope you have enjoyed looking at this flip through. And if you are interested in seeing how some of the other things are made, you can check out the FotoBella blog post for the journal cover tutorial using the rice papers, and also a tutorial to show you how to make 4 of those inserts. Don't forget to head over to the FotoBella online store, which I will link in the description box below, to pick up this collection or any other paper collections that they have. Thank you for watching and have a great day.